Here I have Honor 8X, and let me show you how to enter the simple mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. From the system, let's choose simple mode. So if you would like to enjoy minimalistic and clean home screen, let's just use apply key right here. And that's it. This is the simple mode of the Honor 8X. As you can see, you've got the large icons and minimalistic look. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose settings. And from the list of settings, let's choose more settings. Scroll down, tap system, choose simple mode, and let's use this exit key. That's it. Right now you can use the normal mode of your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.